Hello. Welcome. Do you know the number 21? The 21-day challenge. What does it mean? Any activity or plan, if you keep doing it regularly for 21 days, becomes a habit. Let me explain. Now, tomorrow morning I want to start yoga or exercise. On the first day, I try to wake up and do yoga and exercise. On the second day, I also do meditation and exercise. I continue doing the same thing on the third day, fourth day, and fifth day. Likewise, I do this for 21 days. Every day, I keep doing yoga and exercise. Then, on the 22nd day, my mind automatically follows this routine. I start to enjoy this habit. Let me explain with another example. Every day, I feel lazy waking up early in the morning. But I want to try waking up at 5 a.m. I start waking up on the first day, second day, third day, and soon 10 days have passed. Now, 21 days are also finished. On the 22nd day, my mind starts automatically following the same process. If you practice this 21-day challenge every day, by the 22nd day, you will automatically follow the habit. For example, if you want to learn or practice a new skill, follow it for 21 days. By the 22nd day, it becomes a habit. I tried it, and it's possible. If you try the 21-day challenge, by the 22nd day, you will see the result. Hope that's clear. You try it and message me with your experience. Thank you.